what's going on, guys? Looks like we got a sewage line repair coming to you today. Look at all that warm chocolate milk. Just kidding. This is actually a residential irrigation repair. Let's dive into it.
Can't be bothered, better handle y'all shit. Keep about your wits, man, keep about your wits. Know yourself and who you came in with. Can I sit down? I've been hustling all day. I can't even count how many souls I made. Off the same deal you wrong. Remember, the devil ain't a friend to no one. But find true when you can let it all go.
Alright guys, so now we're pumping the water out of this hole. Always make sure to cut off your main line so you don't look stupid when you saw into your pipe. And we see this root needs to get on out of here. So we're getting that thing on out of there to make way for our new pipe to be installed.
You're too busy saving everybody else to save yourself. And you don't want no help. Oh well, that's a story to tell. Like you can let it all go. You can let it all go. It's called free fall. It's called free fall. You can let it all go. You can let it all go. Cause ain't shit free but falling out. That shit's easy. Let me show you.
Alright guys, so there you have it. Very simple irrigation repair. If you like these repair videos, give us a like and subscribe.